The kind of brown eye makeup that works every time. Hi, welcome to Asha's Makeup Spectrum. I started with a soft brown shade on the upper crease area using a fluffy blending brush. This is going to act as a transition color and create depth in our eyes. Make sure to blend this outwards slightly. It will help lift the eyes naturally. Then added a nude tone to the inner corner and center of the lid to brighten everything up. This will add that soft contrast to the brown. Using a small brush here for the precision, but you can also use your finger for a quick blend. Next, I packed a deep brown on the outer corners and blending in a circular motion. Gives that smoky, defined look without being too dramatic. To blend this well so that there is no harsh lines, but still keep the pigment concentrated on the outer edge. Taking the same shadow only on the outer corners of the crease area. I have used the same dark brown on the upper lash line, super soft definition without harshness. This is perfect for everyday wear, wedding, or anytime you want to feel effortless glam. This look is perfect for beginners. It's super wearable and gives gorgeous lifted effect with minimal efforts. The lower lash line, I'm going back and with the same dark brown shade and gently smudging it along the lashes. This balances the eye look and add that soft smokiness underneath. If you want a more defined look, you can use a pencil brush or even a flat definer. Now comes the magic. I took one shimmer shade and applied it on the inner corners, tear duct area. I have also applied a shimmer on the brow bone. I have taken a black shadow and applying on the lower lash line to give it a more depth to the lower lash line. Use the black eyeshadow on the lower lash line carefully. Use a flat brush for more precision. Let the eyeshadow keep in place without going over the board. Now I have applied a Kajal on my lower waterline, really intensifies the eyes. To complete the look, I am lining my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade dark chocolate. This gives a beautiful definition and add that rich depth to the lips. It also helps your lips stay in place for a longer period. For lipstick, I am using the Mars Infinity palette and I am mixing a soft nude and warm brown to create a custom shade that complements the eye look perfectly. Finish is creamy, comfortable and it ties everything together. Now I am going in with the mascara to lift and separate the lashes. You can also use falsies if you want a more dramatic effect. And that's it. Soft, lifted, glowing and all using just one palette. Like my video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such content. See you in my next video. Bye.